Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a jump button on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve jump button on Pinterest, you click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Pinterest app and you can click. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.